nobody here.
After this fool did all the hard work, you just gonna drive out the car? Like, is it well, you did it? Damn, player. It's the only way he can be faster.
Cambiar a Adam, al Can-Am, ya para que se lo lleven. O arma el Can-Am, ya saque ese Can-Am para que vengan por él y no estarlo guardando.
Este no se ve hoy. In your videos, Anthony, you have to do something because I look really bad on your videos. I don't know if it's a GoPro or
Like that.
Yeah. Change the angle.
So this is the Nissan right here. We're gonna be doing the full setup. Got that 5-channel amp, 2 subwoofers, and hopefully it looks good. Paint on the door. That's how you know it's a work truck. Hey, don't scratch the door with the paint. Damn, it's all messed up on the top though. Looks like somebody put the radio in and it's just loose. No,
This door won't open.
but this one opens. Oh damn! He has a 4-channel and some speakers already. So we're gonna go through this. Once we get the installation going, I'll show you more. But yeah, look at some alpines. So this is what they're putting in right here. We're putting in the alpine subwoofers and the 5-channel amplifier. 3 guys.
Go to.
Not starting. Son of a bitch. All the speakers are already installed. Amplifiers already installed. We got bass. Everything's ready to go, but the car is not starting. Oh, there it goes. Cool.
Yeah.
Drive this bad boy out.
Life did.
Cool. She's done, man. It looks like this one's ready. Almost ready as well. The Can-Am. Hey, does the bass hit harder or does it hit the same? I don't know. I know you guys with the Can-Ams have been trying to get some bass in your vehicle. We know Rockford Fosgate doesn't got your back. We know SSV Works don't got your back. We know California Bullshit don't got your back, but we got your back. Come check out the bass that we got out of there. We got 210s in the seat. Custom boxes done by yours truly.
You wanna know what I'm into? We can start with a blindfold. You know the love goes deep, baby. Tell me what you in for. I'm over the hill and under the brakes, over the pain and under the faith, over the past I wash it away. Tell me if you looking to stay, yeah. Now we can get it in through the daytime, or we can find.
Alrighty, so alright, the Razor is still here. Alright, the Razor's still here. It's already done. They're gonna be putting together. We got some more stuff in that we were waiting for, but check out the speakers. Check out the radio comms. Check out all the switches are in. The amplifier's wired up. That's wired up. Everything's ready to go. Batteries in, isolators in. Wires are ran. Seat warmers are being hooked up right now as we speak. We got the harnesses for the seat belts. Also, what are you installing right now? The heater right now? Oh shit. Did you redo this one too, eh? What is...
You wanna know what I'm into? We can start with a blindfold. You know the love goes deep, baby. Tell me me what you in for. I'm over the hill and under the brakes, over the pain and under the faith, over the past, I wash it away. Tell me if you looking to stay, yeah. Now we can get it in through the daytime, or we can find the moon in the stateside. I know you got dreams we could chase, right? I wanna know what it tastes like. Tell me what's the motive, you got it. It's hard kept, but it's more than a promise. The way you move got me leaning all on it. I wanna see you tomorrow, talk to me. Intoxicated by you. Well, you're the magic, I'm the potion. Got me spilling out like an ocean. Don't ask me what I wanna do, cause all I really wanna do is you. Your red lips are so persuasive. Girl, it's like you speak in cursive. Girl, don't ask me what I wanna do, cause all I really wanna do is you. I wanna know what you're into. Like, can you let the past go? I can tell by that heartbeat. Your last dude was an asshole, in and out like it's all of the time. Commitment ain't even a thought on his mind. You could settle, but the feeling ain't right. Tell me what you feeling tonight, yeah. It's like we both need a rain check. Tell me I'm the one that needs saving. Tell me I'm the one with an angle. Driving through life that ain't paved yet. Through the good and the bad. And we can play it like a wishing I had. And we can play it like the future or past. Now tell me what you wishing you had, huh?
Put in a sound system in it. 5 channels, 2 for the bass, 4 for the highs. I mean, 1 for the bass, 4 for the highs. But it's gonna be like mono.
The director's plugged in already.
Dang, Papi is doing a sound system. Show! So that's a Ford 2020. We're installing a sound system. We're gonna be doing the Sistema on the Ford 2020. See how this works out. Bro, this is a brand new 2020 Ford Explorer. We get to put a sound system. 2020 Ford Explorer, not 24. So how are we gonna tackle this beast?
We might need to install something like fix.
So we're gonna tackle it by going through the signals, checking what signals are available, and then Junior, the main man, is gonna tell us what we need to put. Did I make a mistake on putting a 4-channel, or should I just stuck with bass?
Yeah, you did a mistake.
You want me to put the sound system in? I don't think he's ever taken one of these apart. Oh!
Okay, Papa.
2 screws or what? Ah, how do you know just by touching it? That's a lie. He's like, oh, 7. That's some bullshit. Nobody cares about your personal things, bro. Nobody got time for that. Oh shit! So
I got pulled over again yesterday, bro.
in the Beamer? Yeah, you should have been having your foot. Should have had your radar detectors, bro. We would have been gone. So right here, he looks like he is getting most of it taken apart. I didn't stay to finish because it was taking a long time, but he got it done, and I'm proud of that. It took a lot of stuff to get all this clips out. This is a 2020 Ford Explorer. Just those of you guys who might want to have an idea, that's how you take apart the dash. It was difficult, but we got it. We found out the factory amps in there. Okay. So all I gotta do now is grab the wires, run them to where the application is gonna be, and we're good to go. So hell yeah. Glad they figured that out. Now it's just to connect it and see how it sounds. So right now I'm gonna go outside. I'll show you this Suburban I did a few weeks ago, if you guys remember, but here it is.
Somewhere on the
the alarm system. Hooked up the front grill. She right now, dirty right now. What? Look at those woofers, man. Shoo, gel audio. These grills make these woofers look mean. They're not. You find out where the stuff goes, Louis? So let's let it charge for a little bit. All right. Guess what time it is? Tostada time. Who's ready for some ceviche tostadas? Let's go get our grub on.
Yeah.
You ready for the tostadas, amigo? You don't like for fish tostadas?
Yes.
Everybody likes fish, bro. Let's check out the delicious food. Woo! This is good. So, it's my birthday today. They got me a cake. Thank you, patron.
Welcome.
Just for me. I bit this side already. What up, Adam? Adam's Just so back you in guys the know. building. I thought we fired you. Why didn't I get the memo?
Son 3 secciones. Yeah.
What's wrong with else?
Ok, pues. So va a ser 3 piezas.
Entonces hacemos una que cubra de aquí.
Nomás acuérdate que aquí van a ir bocinas.
Pues en la misma que se haga aquí se pueden. ¿O qué le piensas hacer? Algo que se ven bonitas las bocinas o nomás montadas.
No, y luego
This is
tenemos
the
que hacer
truck that we got
brackets
from SEMA
para
build
detener la batería.
for Fidel.
Arriba
My
nomás
Blue
se va a poner
300 was try to put
no
his
más
Instagram
un color.
down below. You can follow him.
Aquí.
But we're redoing the box to make it hit 10 times harder than what it did with 415s, and we're going to use 215s. I could put 2 nails right there.
Aquí, allá. No creo que Fidel se agüite por tener aquí, ¿verdad?
No sé, yo creo que backstraps no, porque tenía un bracket muy bonito para ponerle backstraps y los tenía nomás de madera.
So remember this truck, you'll have a hole in it soon.
No ocupa hacer nada tan bonito que está más personal.
Cool.
No, yeah,
Nomás-
yeah, and posted shit about it.
Yeah, it did.
No, you never posted the pods, bro.
I don't have a picture of the pods.
Well, I do.
I would like that.
Yeah, well, I took you out.
Doesn't look like you're doing anything.
Los que vayan aquí también que tapen de arriba.
I think you need to practice more.
Look at this shit, bro.
Your phone can't even do it, huh? Quit. While
They
you're
just
ahead.
did it right now, okay?
Quit while you're ahead.
El de aquí, entonces luego como a esta altura, vamos a mandar a descubrir tapado hasta arriba.